video, okay? So we are using the Petite applicator. So what you want to do is you want to drop your wax down, never flat, always on a 45-degree angle, and then you just slide the wax across the top of the eyebrow, staying away from like in the hair. You want to keep just on the outer part so that you create that arch. And you're going to use your cloth. That's the contour strip, and you're going to apply it down. You're going to pat. No rubbing back and forth. Just pat and make sure that you're using the applicator the correct way with the holes facing the bottom. And then you're going to stand on the side that you are going to be moving the cloth. Same side. You go ahead and just put a little bit of pressure there so you see the little hairs there. You're going to flip your cloth, and then you're going to pat, and you're going to just in the same direction. You're not going to take the cloth and you're not going to pat, because you're doing that. You're raising the skin back and forth, causing irritation. And then you do the same move. And that gives you a nice, clean wax.